Looking for a clipper blade that stays sharp longer and delivers precise haircuts every time? The Andis Master replacement blade is designed exactly for that. Crafted from durable carbon steel, it promises a dependable, long-lasting edge that won't dull quickly. Plus, it adjusts smoothly from size 000 to 1, letting you control how close you cut, down to an exact 1/125th inch or 0.2 mm. Whether you're a professional or cutting your own hair at home, this blade gives you the precision and reliability you need. I've seen firsthand how a quality blade can change your grooming routine. One customer shared a story about their 51-year-old Andis clippers, still going strong after decades. They hadn't cut anyone else's hair in years but kept using those clippers for themselves. When it was time to replace the blades, they reached out to Andis for advice, worried that modern blades might not fit their vintage model. To their surprise, the replacement blade fit perfectly and restored the clipper's shine and performance. It's proof that Andis builds tools that last, and their replacement blades keep that legacy alive. If you're considering upgrading your clipper blades, the Andis Master replacement blade is worth a look. It's the original replacement designed specifically for master adjustable blade clippers, ensuring a perfect fit and smooth operation. With its carbon steel construction, you get a blade that holds an edge longer, reducing the need for frequent sharpening or replacements. The adjustable sizes give you control over your cut length, so you get exactly the style you want every time. If that's you, someone who values precision, durability, and a trusted brand, try it when you're ready. Your clippers will thank you.